Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert moon shape in Google Sheets. So let's started. In this video, I will show insert moon shape. Now going to the insert moon option. Now click for a drawing option. Now select from the shape option. Now click for a moon option. Now draw a moon. Now rotate from the moon. This moon shape is the sense color. Now click for the fill color, then NSS color and the border color, the transparent. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Then we show insert moon shape in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for all.